Hi, I'm Norman, and today I am gonna go plant some citrus that grows here in the Ozarks. So a friend of ours, Pop Pepper, I will link him down below. He gave us this Trifolate. I will say he gave it to me probably over a week ago, and it is much uglier and drier than when he gave it to me. But there's still enough juice in it that I can get a good taste of it, and I'm told that there should be lots of seeds in there. I was looking at it online, and also this week I just kept smelling it because it just smells so good. And there are lots of seeds, and it's not the most beautiful fruit inside because I let it dry out. What?
Turn towards the light a little bit.
Because I let it dry out a little bit, it's not so beautiful.
It's a bright neon yellow.
It smells like a grapefruit.
Ooh, but like more perfumey, but in a good way, not in a gross way. Smells good.
Or yeah, there's a floral overtone or something, undertone. It smells really good. I like grapefruits. I like lemons. When I looked it up online, it was saying that it's like a lemon grapefruit. So I'm just going to, whether it should happen or not. Oh, I like the smell a lot. I know they've done a lot of different things with theirs, and they really enjoy it. And who's not going to enjoy something they can grow in their own yard that's a lovely citrus? We use a lot of lemons and limes at our house. That is sweeter than I expected. Wanna come taste it? I don't know if I left enough in that one to taste or not.
Just a bit.
It's tart, but it's mostly sweet.
Reminds me of pineapple.
Can I try one?
It is kind of like pineapple.
It's harder than I expected because then I expected sweet off of your reaction.
Can I try one?
It was quite sweet.
That's good. It's like sweet and tart.
That's good.
I would
make a really good like lemon curd, but
they made some
curd?
and he said it was really good. I think that this has more of a flavor spectrum than like lemon does.
And more texture.
And more texture. So I think that's gonna be more fun to play with. But what I'm gonna do is I have a Rage ginger ale, and I'm gonna put it in there, and then I'm just gonna, I don't know, count all my seeds, but I'm using this to enjoy it, cut the sweetness of my ginger beer.
Hey Mom, this is somebody's painting. You see? It's
I see it is someone's painting.
beautiful.
This will get all the pulp off the seeds, right?
Can I see? Can I have a drink? Man, it knocked all the pulp and stuff off the seeds.
That's an upgrade.
Can I try that? Can I try my bit?
You just have to be careful not to get any of the seeds. Let me give you some strained because I don't want you swallowing my seeds. I want to plant them.
Okay.
Can I test some? Huh? Oh yeah, that's really good.
It's better than
Kind of
the
reminds
ginger
me
beer.
of the flavors of the Hong Kong Sundae,
What is that?
but not
Mom, can I have
as
some?
sweet.
What is that?
That'd be really good in that.
Yeah. If you haven't seen Joelle's Hong Kong Sundae, I'll link that below too. It is my favorite. Has
Been it a few
kumquats.
times now.
What is
Yeah,
that?
It
very
has a
good.
similar flavor to a kumquat, but more pineapple-y and it's good.
Eating this sloppy because of all the seeds, or the pulp and seeds. All right, that's good. Joelle? Okay, are you on? Okay, so we have the Trifolate seeds. And there's 19 seeds, but 5 are a little shriveled. I'm not sure if they're gonna come and grow, but some of them are really nice and plump. And I'm just gonna get them, come on out. I'm just gonna get them in the ground about every 4 inches and hope for the best. These are so, they're like, lemon seeds are really ridged. These are not. They're really nice, just like a kernel of corn. I wonder if I would have hurried up and gotten them planted this week, if they would have turned out a little less dry for those 5 or so. I think it was 5. I'm just gonna cover these with about 1 inch dirt. And then I don't plan on them staying here. I will, this is just so I know where they're at and decide where I put them in the spring. Oh, I forgot there was that one stuck in here. Let's poke it in the end here. And then this will be my marker for where they're at. So right now we're up in our orchard, and this is just on the edge. We're gonna fence it in for deer fence. That's what the white posts are for. And then when these come up, I'll see how many came up and then decide where to intersperse them later. Thanks for watching. Bye.